To begin, in a clean pot, I have my freshly washed assorted goat intestines, the liver, the kidney, the shaki or runabout as we call it, and some goat beef. To season it, I will go ahead and add half teaspoon of salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of seasoning to taste, and next I have my calabash nutmeg. This calabash nutmeg was stir fried on a medium flame to give it a nice aroma before blending. And if you don't know what it looks like, this is what it looks like. I have the seed. The golden brown one is not peeled and the other one is peeled. So I will go ahead and add 1 full tablespoon of the blended one. And next I will add 1 freshly chopped onions, 1 bulb of freshly chopped onions. And next, to make it spicy, I have my blended mixture, habanero pepper, half thumb of ginger, and 2 cloves of garlic. I will add this and mix to combine. Now, I will not use any water to cook this. I will allow this to simmer on its own. And the next ingredient I added, we call it oyogri. If you know the English name, please let me know at the comment section, everyone. So after mixing to combine, I will allow this to simmer on medium flame for 10 minutes. In this very video, everyone, I will not be adding any water to this our spicy pepper soup. I want it to cook and be very tasty. Very tasty. But if your family is large, after allowing it to cook for 10-20 minutes, you can then add ordinary water to make it go round for your family. But as for me, I want this to cook moisture and bring out enough water. As you can see, the water in there is enough to cook it. So I'll be allowing it to cook for another 40 minutes. Remember, we are making spicy assorted. So you see what it looks like. This very assorted pepper soup can be eaten with white rice, white yam. It can also be taken just like this. So let me know at the comment section what you think about this, our simple spicy assorted pepper soup, in the comment section down below. So our pepper soup is ready because I cut the assorted very small, so it doesn't take time to cook. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now.